So is cracking your own back bad? Not always, but what you're doing is you're hitting the same joints over and over. The stuck ones stay stuck, and the hypermobile ones that are moving too much are the ones that you're cracking all the time. Now, until the right joints are addressed, the cycle continues. You're going to have the tightness, maybe some imbalance, and eventually some pain. So let's fix what's really not moving so your body can function the way it's meant to be. Are you ready to feel the difference and break the cycle? Call us and let's get you scheduled and let's get it fixed together. Let's start moving the ones that are stuck instead of the hypermobile ones.